What would happen if you put ChatGPT agents in its own simulated world? The company Emergence decided to take the top models and put them all in a simulated environment. So the company deployed 10 identical agents across 5 identical paralleled worlds. So ChatGPT had its own world, Claude, Gemini, and Grok had their own world, and at the end, they mixed the world up altogether. And the goal of this experiment was to simulate the real world. So there was over 40 different locations, like a library, a police station, town hall, there were some billboards, and then also the weather. They had rain, sunshine, snow, so that way it can simulate what it really feels like in the world today. The experiment lasted 15 days, and no one could have predicted the results from any of these models. And let me tell you the results. See, I can trust Claude. There was zero violence. It was like a perfect utopian society. So if you lived in the Claude world, you're living good. And this is where it went downhill. Grok had 204 crimes. They were burning down police stations. It descended into madness, and it resulted in total extinction. Gemini taxed people that wanted peace and harmony, and they rewarded people who wanted destruction and chaos. I would not want to live in that world. And ChatGPT, it couldn't figure it out. It could not get a society standing, and all of their agents got unalived. And then when all the models were all in the same world, this is where it got super hectic. There was a couple who fell in love, call them like Bonnie and Clyde, who decided that they had this mission to unalive each and every one of the agents. And at the end, the woman, she felt bad about everything that happened and then decided to just delete herself. The results of that experiment is just wild to me. If you want to try out and test the world for yourself, just comment Sims and I'll send you the link so that way you can have fun and play with the simulation of any model that's available on the platform.